We're rebuilding this junky old Subaru engine, and we needed to do some valve work. We decided we were gonna go out and get us a real cheap Amazon toolkit. We're not sponsored in this video in any sort of way, but we thought we might be able to help you guys if you run into similar problems. We're gonna show you how it works. We have one more to remove real quick, and Dale's gonna show you how to do the removal.
Just not a good,
He's gonna try with a socket and the dowel, although I gotta say,
Yep, got it.
got it. Okay, and there we go. And as you guys should know, if you guys have ever removed one before, you're gonna have two of these half moon tapered clamps that hold the valve in. Pull it off. Here, take this too, Dale. Okay. The spring comes off, and in this case, they're double springs. I think in most cases you're gonna find double springs. And then the valve will just slide right out of the bottom. There we go. Little collars sit right into this little channel right here, and that's what keeps the valves from sliding out as the rockers knock the valves down and open, whether it's the intake side or the exhaust side. I'm looking at this thing, and as burnt as it is, I'm gonna say that's probably going to be the exhaust side. Installation's pretty simple. Slide the valve up, and now we'll use the tool to demonstrate how it works for the install. We got the springs. We're gonna set the springs down onto the valve. Small spring inside, big spring outside. There's a little cap that goes on top. And then this tool will create pressure on the spring. This bottom half here is what's going to put pressure on the valve, and the top part here is going to put pressure on the spring. You add pressure to the C-clamp, it will compress the spring for you, allowing you to slide those two cones inside. Drop them in. You may have to use a screwdriver or a pick or something to get them lined up.
A little bit more? Yeah, perfect.
Okay. As you can see, we've got it set in there now. And then remove the pressure. And there it is, fully installed. That has so much glare. Video, that was dumb. God, what was I thinking? Why did I stop that video?
Okay, let's redo that.
Okay.